Hello, Ryan Colcord, Realtor with Marples and Associates. I'm also the showing agent for Marples Property Management. I am here at, well, if you're looking to purchase a home, contact me. I'd love to help get you started on that process. But I'm here at 3453 Keystone Loop in Discovery Bay, rental property. Let's take a look. A lot of open space here. This just kind of goes on. It's raining, as you can see, so got my shoes off. Limited visibility for this place right now. I'll update the video at a better time, but you got a nice pool back here. Got the laundry room with the sink in here. You got 3-car garage. You got one room downstairs with double doors. Now, I guess I don't know if we're calling this a room or not. There's no closet, but definitely a little spot for one. So you got an office, you got a half bath here, guest bath. Open dining living room area. This one has a humongous loft. You got a room here. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom. And there's your loft straight ahead. You got a ginormous primary here. That overlooks and this loft is just huge. There you go. So I'll update the video when it's a little better weather and I'm not as rushed. I had to rush to another showing here. But I wanted to get this snuck in